In this tutorial, you'll learn how to work with individual references in SciFinder-n, including finding the full text and saving them for later. From my reference search results list, I can do several things with individual search results. Click the full text drop-down to look for an article's full text. There is no full text in SciFinder itself. A direct link to a PDF may be available, but if not, choose Geisel WebBridge to check if we have access elsewhere online. If we do, you'll get a link to one or more databases. In this case, we don't, so you'd need to request the article through interlibrary loan. Just click that link and it'll automatically fill in an article request form, and all you need to do is scroll down and click Submit Request. You can also search for the substances covered in the article. This will bring you to the substance search interface of SciFinder, which you're welcome to explore, but I won't get into in this video. If there are any reactions discussed in the article, you can do a separate reaction search similar to the separate substance search. The citing button will show you the newer references that cite this article. Once I click into a search result, I can find all the citation information on the left and see the full abstract. Check the Concepts drop-down to see what concepts the database has assigned to this topic. It may give you more ideas of terms to search or concepts you want to limit to using the Concepts limiter in the search results. From here, I can also see the substances mentioned in the article and all the documents this article cites. I can save this search result using the Save button in the top right, or download the citation information in various formats. For more help with SciFinder-n, visit our SciFinder Research Guide.